Oh my God, Shane, can you please play it for me? What am I doing wrong? I was supposed to go on that one.
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. Don't jump now.
Please help me. Tell me where I need to go.
The next one, you'll jump over.
Right or left?
It's to the right.
This one?
Now. Man, you suck.
For some reason, the stick won't move.
Yeah, for some reason. It wouldn't be user error.
Right here?
No. It'll take you back to the beginning. You've done this like 20 times now. Why don't you know? Jump to the right. Wow, there you go. Jump to the left. There you go.
Now tell me where I need to jump, okay?
Oh, okay.
Tell me where.
Jump to the right. To the right. To the right. You missed it. Get ready to jump to the right again, okay? Jump to the right.
You do it.
I'm not doing
mad.
it. I'm not doing it.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
No.
Do it.
Nope.
You're giving up again?
Yep.
She's giving up again. Can you believe it? Ratchet and Clank's taken like 2 years. We'll try again later.